Hi, welcome to a new episode of Project Growth, which is proudly supported by ECU Masters. I'm William. In today's video we're working again on the K20 swapped Peugeot 205. And in today's video we'll be continuing where we left off. Because, as you know, I redid the rear axle, put it back in, and now it's time for the brakes. I already did something, already removed one side of all the brake lines and already installed this one. Well, partly because it ends up quite here. It's not yet, of course, it's not finished yet, but still a lot of things to be done. So what I did was actually get myself a Goodrich steel braided brake line set. I'm basically going to use two of those. Actually this one and on the other side, and the ones on the front. But the ones that are actually from the body to the rear axle, I'm not going to use those because I don't know, I'm going to use a complete braided brake line for everything. So I'm not going to use the steel ones because I wasn't completely happy on how the stock brake lines were routed. So yeah, that's why I'm going to change it. I'll try my best to film a lot because it's not that great, honestly, because you can't see a lot. It will be spending a lot of time under the car, but I'll keep you posted. So, and I'll complete the first brake line. This is from this side goes to the brake booster, and this goes to the brake caliper. It's that one. So now I'm going to install it. So there you go. First brake line completely installed. Yeah. Now let's continue. got some cheap brake pads I bought for the car, together with this Citroen Xsara VTS brake caliper. I'll open up the box so I can show it to you. Here you go, these are just the standard brake pads, nothing special, they will work. And this is the finallt 5.1 brake fluid I'm going to use. Pretty good stuff. So yeah, I connected all the brake lines, everything is connected now. Only thing you need to be doing is fill it up and get all the air out of it, but I'm gonna do that later on because two-person job. I don't have like a gravity vacuum thing or whatever. But quite chuffed about the result. Mind you, everything still needs to get fastened and everything, but everything was cool. I put the brake pads in. Very happy about all of the results. Yeah. So yeah, hopefully I'm going for a test drive pretty damn soon.
Als je nog een paar keer, als je hebt gereden of zo, dat je nog eens een keertje kunt checken. Wat
Ja, sowieso moet ik even de remmen checken, want So, and that's about it. All the brakes are done, as you can see. So it's back in one piece. I'm also fitting the tailgate. Yeah. It was a bit of you know, bleeding brakes is always a bit of a weird job. Can't do that all by yourself without the proper tools. But Donna helped me, Sil helped me, so everything went perfectly fine. Yeah. this is also a good moment to have a bit of a chat on the plans of the car. So check this out. What we have here is of course a Brembo 4-pot brake. This one actually comes off a Peugeot 406 Coupe, the V6 model. I got them for my car, but they don't fit in the wheels because if you look closely, they stick out quite far. I don't know, maybe I can put it like this. They stick out about, I don't know, 6 centimeters from the face of the disc, and they hit the inside of the wheel. So I decided to not run these just yet, because then I have to make custom-made wheels. And these discs are actually 288s from a Xsara, Citroen Xsara V6 as well. This is a bolt-on fit. This is a well-proven setup. It just works. Yeah, the brakes are on it right now are the rears. The rears are standard or stock OEM 1.9 GTI brakes, and the fronts are from a 1.8 Citroen Xsara VTS, which has, if I'm not mistaken, 266 millimeters. Yeah, 266 front brakes and a big single piston caliper, which are actually pretty stout because Johan and Rudy both had or have Citroen Xsaras, and the brakes are actually pretty good. So a lighter car like this will have no problems at all. So I'm just going to put these back in the closet where I'm going to store them for now, because I know they won't be used now. So yeah, and on that note, I would like to end this episode. I want to thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Later on.
So thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. And talking about more, you can click on one of these two videos to see some more from the channel. And yeah, hope to see you next time. Laters.